Hi boys and girls, in today's lesson, Monday, lesson 4, go to your binder and you will go past the green tab. Let me move my binder so you can see. Past the green tab, and you have this. You're going to go past this too. Okay, go to the blue tab. Okay. All right, now we're going to be using this today, and I don't pull it out, don't rip it out because it's plastic, and I need you to, if you can, have your mom and dad help you with the clips. Okay, so clip and then take it out of the binder. If you can't, what you're going to do is just leave it in the binder, and you're going to turn it this way in the binder, just like that. Okay, you will also need your dry erase marker, and you will need your little sponge that looks like an eraser. Let me grab mine real quick. Okay, sorry about that. Mine is purple. Most of you have a red one or a green. I had to get some in different colors because I didn't have enough because we got more students in our class. So you will need your dry erase marker and your sponge, which we're going to use as an eraser. Okay? All right. So for your marker, take the cap off. It's going to be kind of hard. And then you're going to put it on the back of the marker, just like that, so we don't lose the cap. Because if you lose the cap, then your marker will dry out. Okay, so let's go over what's on our paper. We have the blue line. The blue line is the very top line. It's called the sky line, and you know the sky is very high. So our top line is the sky line. And then in the middle, you have a red line. I call that the fence line because the fence is not way at the bottom. It kind of a little bit above the grass. So that's the fence line. And then at the bottom, I call that the grass line because grass are low. They're at the bottom. Okay, so you have the grass line, the fence line, which is the middle, and then the sky line. So top, middle, bottom. Okay, so I will be referring to these 3 lines as we are writing. And today we're just going to practice starting from the top and going all the way to the bottom. All right, here we go. Start at the sky line and go all the way down to the grass line. Okay, keep on going, sky to grass. Okay, something I forgot to mention is when you make a mistake, just erase. Watch, it's super cool. You can use this side. This side is a little bit harder to erase. If you use the side that looks like this, it has a little net on it, it's a little bit easier to erase. Isn't that amazing? Very cool. Okay, what I forgot to tell you is that you need to leave a space between each line that we are writing. So start at the top, go all the way at the bottom. Okay, now if you don't know how to make a space, that is what your pencil is for. You're going to put it right next to the line that you wrote, and don't trace right next to this because then you'll mark your pencil. What you want to do is you want to go a little bit farther than that. Do you see the space on mine? And then you go down. And it's okay if it's not a straight line. Okay, then I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to set it right here, and then right over here I'm going to make a straight line down. Okay, see what this does is this leaves a space between your writing. Right here and down. Okay. keep on going, and you keep on going and finish the rest, okay? All right, so the next part, what you're going to do is you can go ahead and erase the top if you want, or you can just leave it. But on the second line, I want you to practice just making squiggly lines. You can go like this. You can go this way, okay? I just want you to be comfortable with the marker and the eraser, and that's what this is for. Pretty soon I'll be asking you to write other things on there. But right now I just want you to use to holding the marker and using this as an eraser, okay? So go ahead and practice some things on there. You can also draw on there, okay? The only thing that you're gonna have to be careful with is that you don't color on here, and this is what I mean. So if I'm drawing a flower, okay, so don't use your marker to color like this, because if you do that, you will run out of ink fast. So we're just going to draw, we're not going to color, okay? So just keep on erasing it and practice. When you erase, you might have to put a little bit of pressure on here, and that means hold it a little bit harder so that you can erase completely, okay? When this gets too dirty, Mom and Dad can wash it with soap and then dry it, and then it'll become clean again, okay? I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. It was good seeing you on here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.